Every frequent flyer needs a good carry-on, and even if you travel only occasionally, you'll be glad to have one on hand. But besides allowing you to bypass checked baggage, what makes a high-quality carry-on? If you ask us, it's about capacity, maneuverability, durability, and design. With this in mind, we tested 116 carry-ons, including suitcases, duffles, weekenders, backpacks, and underseat bags, to see which models check all the boxes. We packed them up, spun them around, hoisted them overhead, rolled them over various surfaces, and whacked them with a baseball bat to see how they'd hold up in a real-life setting. The results of these tests were considered, along with price, weight, dimensions, materials, and smart features, to narrow down the best carry-ons currently on market. We have listed the top 6 carry-on luggage and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, validconsumer.com. Number 6. Wrangler Spinner Smart Carry-On Luggage. For a lightweight and affordable option, this 20-inch expandable hardside option from Wrangler rings up at under $56. The bag shell is made from 100% ABS plastic, which likely accounts for its light weight at just under 7 pounds. The luggage also comes with a cup phone holder, a USB charging port, note that the charging cord and power bank are not included, 360-degree spinning wheels, and a lined interior. While this has a strong 4.4 average rating from over 8,000 reviews, with scores of reviewers praising the bag's compactness, lightness, and nifty cup holder, note that many others mention that it's best for the occasional trip and may not be durable enough for frequent flyers. Number 5. Swiss Gear Scion Softside Expandable 21-inch. Although slightly sportier and more casual in appearance than other favourites in our test suite, the well-priced Swiss Gear Scion Softside earned recognition for both performance and value due to its impressive capacity, comfortable ride, and an array of extra organisational amenities. One of the first things we noticed was just how easy it was to pack, zip and roll, whether we were hauling a week-long summer adventure wardrobe or a climbing trip's worth of bulky gear. A laundry list of useful interior pockets and features, including a removable toiletry pouch, adjustable compression straps, and a bag-length expansion zipper, ensure there's plenty of space and tools to work with inside. Meanwhile, 2 sizable front pockets add further capacity and flexibility to the exterior. And finally, several well-padded carry grips, a solid telescoping handle, and a set of surprisingly efficient 360-degree single-wheel spinners combined to support easy maneuverability between streets and stairwells, even when fully packed. Made from durable, scuff-resistant polyester, the Swiss Gear Scion held up relatively well throughout testing, developing just a few minor scratches, some rattling in the handle, and a clicking noise within one wheel. Well, which, interestingly, self-corrected shortly thereafter. Where this case starts to stumble is in its weight and size. Among the heaviest bags in the group and built just slightly larger than airline compliance standards allow, these are details to consider if you're a regular flyer. But when budget and performance rank equally among your top priorities, the Swiss Gear Scion is worth adding to your shortlist for consideration, just as it did ours. Number 4. Travelpro Platinum Elite Hardside Carry-On Expandable Hardside Spinner. The Travelpro Platinum Elite Hardside Carry-On is a relatively expensive option. However, a 100% polycarbonate shell with reinforced aluminum corner guards makes it impressively durable and therefore worth the investment. Even after multiple drop tests and bat beatings, we could see no visible signs of damage. The textured finish should help reduce the visibility of scuffs or scratches, keeping your luggage looking brand new for longer. Exterior highlights include an integrated TSA lock and USB-A and C charge ports. This suitcase benefits from Travelpro's famous Precision Glide system, which, with 8 self-aligning spinner wheels and a power scope light handle with 4 height settings, We found it incredibly smooth and easy to navigate, and particularly liked the handle's sturdy feel and textured grip. When it came to packing, we had to use the expansion feature to fit everything in, which made it a tight squeeze getting the bag into an overhead compartment. However, we liked the zippered divider panel and water-resistant toiletries section. Number 3. Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential 22-inch Carry-On Expandable Spinner. This expandable carry-on from luxury luggage brand Briggs & Riley was designed specifically for business travellers, but it is a great bag for anyone who wants an included garment bag and exterior pockets. The soft side spinner features a ballistic nylon exterior and looks like something a pilot, ambassador or CEO might carry from points A to B. It's boxy and low profile, and that's exactly the point. It just looks professional. Designed specifically with business travellers in mind, the suitcase includes a tri-fold garment bag with a foam roll bar that accommodates up to 2 suits or other formal attire, and a discreet exterior pocket ideal for storing a battery pack and cell phone. A large front pocket fits a sweater or jacket, though it would be more useful as a laptop sleeve, but note that it has no padding. The multi-height aluminum telescopic handle offers a comfortable, firm grip, and its placement on the outside of the bag means there's more room for your belongings inside. The main compartment seems snug at first glance, but when using the mesh garment panels, compression straps and interior zippered pockets, we were able to squeeze 5 days worth of clothing inside, plus our boots and shoes. The unique compression expansion system is unlike any we've seen in other suitcases. It adds 2.5 inches to the bag's depth with a push of 2 red buttons and collapses just as easily, compared to the zipper expansion on other bags, which can be cumbersome. The 360-degree spinner wheels were impressively smooth on hardwood floors and handled snow, ice, broken concrete and every other obstacle we threw its way with ease. Kicking it down 3 flights of stairs and leaving it outside in freezing rain for 48 hours? No problem. The case still looked as good as new, except for some small scuffs on the handlebar casing. One downside is that the light beige coloured lining, though it feels luxurious to the touch, does not handle stains well. Evidence of our shampoo spills was present days after cleaning. Briggs & Riley is a brand that stands behind its merchandise. Its unconditional lifetime guarantee covers all functional aspects of the bag, but like other manufacturers, it does not make exceptions for cosmetic wear and tear. Number 2. Travelpro Platinum Elite Softside Expandable Carry-On Spinner. Our favourite softside suitcase is the Travelpro Platinum Elite Spinner, made up of premium fabric with leather corner piping and chrome hardware. It held up well under many hits with a bat. No tears or scuffs in sight. We found it easy to fit everything into the 2 main compartments and mesh zippered pockets, though we had to expand it, which makes it substantially larger. The Platinum Elite is a breeze to manoeuvre on 4 wheels, gliding smoothly and turning with ease. Putting it on 2 wheels calls for a bit more effort. This smart carry-on has a USB port with a designated pocket for a power bank, which you'll have to buy separately. It also comes with a TSA lock. All things considered, we think the price is fair for such a reliable, feature-rich design. Number 1. Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. We tried lots of excellent suitcases, but the Samsonite Freeform Hardside Spinner was a clear winner. Earning perfect scores in all our tests, it's easy to manoeuvre on 2 or 4 wheels and rolls smoothly on various surfaces, including carpet and hard flooring. We also like that the aluminum telescoping handle extends and locks with the push of a button. This all-star suitcase has various pockets within the main compartment, and it expands a couple of inches when you need extra space. We were able to pack enough clothes for a 4-day trip, including 2 pairs of shoes, multiple jackets and 2 toiletry bags. No expansion needed. We wish this carry-on had a zippered section or removable bag for dirty laundry, but it does have a separator to keep your shoes away from your clean clothes. We love the sleek, minimalist, modern design of the Freeform, which comes in 12 hues ranging from white to mint to merlot. After hitting it with a bat, the polycarbonate, high-strength thermoplastic shell was scuff-free and showed virtually no signs of damage. Even after 6 months of regularly travelling with this bag, it shows no signs of wear and tear, and any scuffs it has accumulated have been easily buffed out. Considering the reasonable price, durable construction and spacious capacity, we think it's a great choice for frequent flyers and anyone in the need of a high-quality carry-on. So that wraps up our list of the best carry-on luggage. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Let us know in the comments below which carry-on luggage you are going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.